Students, Act 3, Scene 4 is going on. Exuent Jessica and Lorenzo. After that, now Balthazar, as I have found the honest true, so let me find the still. Now Balthazar is the servant of Portia. Servant to Portia. Balthazar, I have always found you honest. I have always found you honest and trustworthy. You are a reliable person. I can trust in you. So may I continue to find you so. Still, take this same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man in speed to Padua. See, thou render this into my cousin's hand, Dr. Bellario. She says, take this letter, hurry up and go as fast as a man can do to Padua. Padua, a place where Dr. Bellario lived. Padua. Give this letter to my cousin. Portia's cousin's name is Dr. Bellario. Give this letter to my cousin, Dr. Bellario. And took what notes and garments he doth give thee, bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed, unto the Trinact, to the common ferry which trades to Venice. She says, take care of the documents and ropes he may give you. Bring them with utmost speed to the Trinact, as the public ferry is called, which carries passengers for hire to Venice. Which carries passengers for the hire to Venice. She says, further waste no time in words, but get thee gone. I shall be there before thee. I shall be there before thee. But go at once, I shall be at the ferry before you reach there. Balthazar says, Madam, I go with all convenient speed. Madam, I will go as fast as I can. He departs. Balthazar departs to Padua to meet Dr. Bellario. Portia says, come on, Nerissa. I have work in hand that you yet know not of. We will see our husband before they think of us. Come, Nerissa, I will have a plan in my mind about which you do not know as yet. We shall be where our husbands are when they least expect to see us. We shall be there. We shall be there. She doesn't open the secret where she is going. She says, where we shall be where our husbands are when they least expect to see us. Nirika says, shall they see us? Portia says, they shall. Yes, they will see us, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished with that we lack. She says here, yes, they will see us, but in such a disguise that they will think that we are equipped with the qualities of men, which in reality we lack. We will be in disguise of men, though we are not men, we are women. Equipped with the qualities of men, which in reality we lack. She says, I will hold thee in vigor when we are both accounted like young men. She says, I am prepared to bet with you any amount. When we are both dressed as young men, I will be more handsome than of two. She says, I hold thee when we are both courted like young men, I will prove the prettier fellow of the two, and wear my dagger with the braver grace. She says, I am prepared to bet with any of my with. I am prepared to bet with you any amount. When we are both dressed as young men, I will be more handsome of the two. I will wear more gallantly my dagger by my side. Dagger by my side. She says here, and speak between the change of man and boy with a reed voice, and turn two mincing steps into a manly stride. She says, I will wear more gallantly my dagger by my side. I will speak with a voice similar to a boy's voice, breaking into the deeper voice of a man. I will change my voice like a man. She says, I shall take one large step instead of two feminine steps that I take now. I will change my speed also, the way of walking, and speak a phrase like a fine bragging youth, and tell quaint lies how honorable ladies sought my love, which I, denying, they fell sick and died. She says, I will speak of brave fights like a boastful young man, and I will tell elaborate lies about how honorable ladies wanted my love, which when I denied, they would fall sick and die. I could not do withal, then I will repent and wish for all that I had not killed them. I would also tell them that I could not do anything but express sorrow, and wish that I had not been the cause of their deaths. And 20 of these puny lies I will tell, that men shall swear I have discontinued school above a 12-month. She says, when I will disguise myself, then what will I do? I will tell many more such credible lies. Men will believe that I have left school no more than a year ago. Men will believe that I have left school no more than a year ago. She says, I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of these bragging jacks which I will practice. She says, I know many inexperienced ways of boastful young fellows. I will try to use all of them. When I will disguise myself, I will change each and everything like a young boy. But come, I will tell thee all my whole device when I am in my coach, which stays for us all at the park gate, and therefore haste away, for we must measure 20 miles today. She says, but come, Nerissa, and I will let you know my entire plan, when we are in the carriage. When we will be in the carriage, then I will tell you all the plan, which is now waiting for us. Carriage is waiting for us at the entrance to the park. Let us hurry up, because we have to cover 20 miles today. We have to cover, as they are going to Venice to save Bassanio's best friend Antonio in the court. They are going to the court to save Antonio from Shylock's clutches. Students, after that they depart. You will study Act 3, Scene 5 in my next video. Thank you so much.